it's Hannah, and today we will be making 2-ingredient jiggly slime. So first you want to start off with 3-in-1 Suave Kids shampoo, body wash, conditioner thing. And next, I just put it in a Tupperware. Next you would just add salt, and you want a lot of salt. Well, it depends on how much you're making. Yeah, and you'll mix that up and just add enough salt until you are fine with the consistency that you have. So just keep mixing and add more salt. It's always nice. Sorry, this is like my first video and first voiceover, so I don't really know what I'm doing. But we're mixing right now, because I filmed just like an hour ago. And I was too lazy to edit it in time. So I decided to edit it now. So now we're mixing, and it's getting pretty clumpy and stuff. See, that was me filling the slime. I just kept mixing it. And by the way, I did my nails last night, and it looks so good. Okay, next we're adding shaving cream. Add enough to where you would like it, but not too much where your whole slime's like creamy and stuff. You want it to be fluffy, not creamy. And the shaving cream is optional. That's why I said 2-ingredient slime, because you don't really need the shaving cream. I just think it makes it a little bit better. So yeah. So next, we are just mixing the shaving cream into the slime, and my spoon was getting a little dirty, so I changed it. Yeah. So I like voiceovers because people can make them funny. I just can't because I am not funny. So yeah. So now we're just mixing and mixing, and the video's almost over, guys. Don't worry. But anyways, that was me playing the slime, and I want to do my outro. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Comment more video ideas you want me to do. And subscribe for more videos like this one. And peace! Oh, wait, it's not over. And